Hello everyone. Today I have brought another topic for you, les symboles. The symbols we study in French at the initial level. Likewise, at the beginning, when we start learning this French language, so we have some symbols over there, and as a kids, especially for the kids, they need to understand, as we say in English, relate something or match something, matching words, and connect with this, speak about it. So these are some symbols here. So to introduce French, I would like to start with this symbols. The first is like if you can see this symbol. So from symbol, this is written écouter. Écouter means to listen. Okay, because with this speaker, we are only what we are doing, listening. What the work, the action word which we are doing is a listening. Écouter. Next is with the book. What do we do? Study. We read. So this is reading work is going there. So lire. Lire is a verb. And again, there is a pen. It's easily visible to you that it's in a manner of writing. So what do we say writing in French? It's écrire. Écrire. Next is numéroter. Numéroter means to give number to something when we are numbering something. Okay, so this is itself is a verb. Fine. Next, this is with this eye. We are watching something, we are looking at something. So this is regarder. Okay. And this is parler. Parler, to speak something. Then relier. Relier, to relate something. Next, montrer. Montrer means to show something, like he is indicating with his finger. Okay, montrer. Next is colorier. Colorier means to color. This is a verb. Okay. Cocher. Cocher means to tick something. As we give the children something to tick or something to encircle. Like again, I'm telling you about this. If we are talking about the ticking something, and this is entourer. Entourer means circle the correct answer. And dessiner. So to design something. Okay. So one more thing I would like to say, if dessiner word is here, so it is double S. So when in French there is SS together, when two S are there together, so we take out our sound as S, cine, dessiner. Suppose if there would have been single S, so it would have been dessiner, Z. So it also, when you speak a language, your sound, pronunciation, it matters a lot. Okay. Now, next is when we are understood about all these symbols. So it is written à toi maintenant. So here I would start another thing. Like as in example, it is given. Again, this is, I've already told you. What do we do with this? This works for écouter. Écouter means to listen something. Okay. So now can you guess what we are doing with this? This is an I. So with an I, what do we do? Just check all these answers. Entourer, écrire, coucher, montrer, colorier, lire, numéroter, relier, parler, or is there something? Regarder or dessiner. Anything? Okay, if you want, I can take you there with the eye. what do we do? Regarder, to look at something. Okay. So here you can do a little bit of match. Now this is, if I'm not telling you the answer here, everything is in front of you. You choose yourself what will be the answer. If there will be any problem, so please ask me or tell me something, any suggestion in the comment box. I'll be there to help you if there is any problem. Fine. So you have all the answers there. I'm not going to give you any answer here because these are very easiest things, and you can easily use this exercise, les symboles. Okay. So thank you to watch my video. And if there is any suggestion, again I'm telling you and requesting you, if there is any suggestion, so please ask me and write down in comment section. And if you're a new student or new viewer, so please subscribe my channel, and please also press the bell icon so that you will get another interesting videos regarding this with the basic French. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.